Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pickles from cucumbers. First, select the freshest, firmest cucumbers you can find, ideally 3 to 4 inches long. Next, prepare your canning jars and lids by sterilizing them in boiling water for at least 10 minutes. This crucial step ensures food safety. Finally, gather your basic ingredients: vinegar, water, pickling salt, and your favorite spices. We are ready to begin this exciting culinary journey. Now let's craft the perfect brine, which is the heart of any great pickle. A balanced solution is key, so combine 1 part vinegar with 1 part water. For proper preservation and taste, add 2 tablespoons of pickling salt for every quart of liquid. Finally, infuse your brine with aromatic spices like fresh dill, whole garlic cloves, and mustard seeds to achieve that classic pickle flavor. With your brine ready, it's time to pack the jars. Tightly arrange your prepared cucumbers into the sterilized jars, making sure to leave about 1/2 inch of headspace at the top. Carefully pour the hot brine over the cucumbers, ensuring they are completely submerged in the flavorful liquid. Use a non-metallic utensil to remove any trapped air bubbles, then wipe the jar rims clean before sealing. The final step involves processing and patience. Process your sealed jars in a boiling water bath for 10 to 15 minutes to ensure a proper seal and food safety. After processing, allow your delicious pickles to cure for at least 2 to 3 weeks. This time is crucial for optimal flavor development. Store your sealed jars in a cool, dark place where they will maintain their best quality for up to 1 year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.